Hi everyone, I'm Engineer Welbis Piras, your Pampanga property guide here at Hamana Homes. Dito naman tayo sa single attached na NEA single attached inside the Hamana Homes subdivision. So we are featuring the Nanea single attached. So RFO na rin po ito. And ang kagandahan dito is near Linear Park pa rin tayo yung location niya. Let's take a tour inside. So yun, mas malawak yung space natin for Nanea single attached. Then dito, ito rin yung magiging sink natin. And with the cabinet, installed cabinet na po. And we have also yung ceiling natin, mayroon na siyang provision for the lightings sa mga pin lights natin. And we have also our toilet here. So, powder room natin, receiving area para at least kung may mga bisita tayo, yan po yung pwede nilang gamitin. And dito, we have also a wide window here. So ito yung kagandahan dito dahil ang laki po ng mga windows natin, glass windows natin. And yung stairs na ginamit dito is wood planks and tubular po. And ito po yung maganda dito sa stairs natin because we have a cathedral window here. Ito po yung cathedral window natin. So natural lighting po tayo. So yung ano natin, we have a natural lighting for the cathedral window. Then dito, pag akyat natin dito, we have a 3 bedroom. So ang kagandahan sa Nanea single attached natin is tatlo yung bedroom. We have a common toilet for 2 bedroom. And yung master bedroom natin is with toilet and bath na siya. So unahin natin tong isang bedroom dito. So yan po yung ano natin, bedroom natin. So our second bedroom is, ito yung second bedroom natin. So ito yung second bedroom. And yung common toilet natin is here. So meron na siyang shower, faucet, toilet, and the sink. And we'll go also here at the master bedroom. So ito yung master bedroom natin. So ito yung ano ng master bedroom natin. This is our bedroom area. Then we have a wide window here and provision for the aircon na outlet. At least hindi na tayo magbutas or ano, naka-provision na po yung aircon natin dyan. And dito, gandahan dito, may toilet and bath na tayo. So dito yung toilet and bath natin. So with complete accessories niyan, shower, sink, and the toilet. And dito, ang kagandahan sa master bedroom is we have our own balcony. So sa balcony natin, ito yung ano natin, which is our unit is located at the corner unit. And ang kagandahan dito is 110 square meter lot area. And our floor area is 65.5 floor area naman. Then, yun, ito po yung magiging community natin dito sa area. Which is halos tapos na rin yung mga duplex natin sa area. Ang kagandahan, may community na po tayo dito sa Hamana Homes inside subdivision. So, if you want to know more about the details of the NEA single attached, sample computation, consultation, and site tripping schedule, just contact me at my numbers 0966-8777-435 and look for Engineer Well. And see you here at Hamana Homes Subdivision.